How do you perceive flavors? Have you ever thought about that? Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Sobel, a flavor researcher here at FONA International, and have been since 2004. It's a commonly held belief that flavor perception comes from the tongue, but in fact flavor perception resides in the nose. It's our sense of smell. We perceive those flavor volatiles through the retronasal experience. These aromas trigger our nose, which then sends the information to our brain. Our senses of sight, touch, hearing, sound, and taste are closely related to each other and are perceived in very similar parts of the brain. But our sense of smell goes to a very different part of the brain. This part of the brain is called the limbic system. The limbic system is responsible primarily for three things: aroma perception, emotions, and memories. So when we have an emotional experience and a smell linked together, it starts the learning process in our brain. This explains why certain smells can elicit emotions or memories for us. For example, one of my favorite foods is chicken paprikash. This is a dish that was made by my grandmother. At a very early age, she would make this dish all the time, and I attached a very positive emotional experience along with this food item. This became a learned behavior for me. My grandmother also used to wear very cheap perfume called Charlie. Charlie can be picked up at any dime store. She used to put quite a lot of this on. So today, I've been classically trained that when I walk down the street, maybe on a sidewalk somewhere or in a store, and I smell somebody wearing this perfume, it instantly takes me back to memories of my grandmother. Another example would be my grandfather. He smoked a pipe. So in my brain, I have that pipe tobacco smoke smell associated with him. And when I'm walking around and smell that aroma, maybe a gentleman in a park somewhere, it instantly takes me back to that moment of spending time with my grandfather. So this is the power of the limbic system and how it threads together emotions, memories, and smells, oftentimes rekindling those old emotions that we have deep-seated in our psyche.